Back with an update. We got all our LED lights installed everywhere. Everything works. Got the new fan, all the new lights, the new ceiling's done. Got the new jack stands on all four corners. Super stable now. Waiting on wheels and tires. These ones are dry rotted. Been on here since 2001 or something. Got the new jack stand. Everything's working beautiful. Got the new propane hookup. Got everything painted. Wifey's doing all the decals. This is going to be called the Irish Rover. And it'll say it right across here and a few other places. She's got some machine that prints out stuff. Testing out the solar right now. These are Renogy 100-watt panels. I got 5 of them. And switched over to Victron hooked me up with a 150 smart solar, and it's pulling in 110 watts on a 100-watt panel right now. I mean, it's directly in the sun, and yeah, everything is working as it should. I'm super stoked. Got the new propane lines all hooked up. I still have to install the propane water heater that's gonna go in the side over here. It's gonna have an outdoor shower. And I have to install the sink base that folds down because it's a pop-up. I want to put a new sink in and have it nice and do a nice wood countertop to prep food and stuff. We're also gonna have a flip out cherry table here. That's what that rail's for. And the Blackstone will sit on that and have a quick connect propane hookup, which will be nice. Got the new canvas, so I gotta install the door now and get the beds back in and work on hooking that up. Finally got all the wiring done. I got my 115, 120 volts breaker box here for all the outlets and stuff. The heater. They put a new, put an electric heater in just because I'm only going to be camping in cold weather if it's, if we got plugs. Got plug-in. Rec Pro sent out this fridge. Pretty big for a small fridge. Fruits, vegetables, meats. The necessities. My wife's shocks just showed up. That was the Amazon guy, super nice. Thermostat for the heater. Propane smell detector. We got our outlets. We got all our phone chargers and 5-volt fire extinguisher. Got our eco-worthy 300 amp hour battery here. We got our main fuse coming off the battery to a switch. We got our smart shunt, our distributor, everything wired over to the inverter, and then to the smart solar, which goes out the side, so I can just hook up. I'm just gonna put the 5 solar panels on hinges and have like a 20-foot cable so I can just have more options than mounting them to the roof and being stuck under trees and have them not work or something. So I can just drag them around, fold them out, and get full output from the solar, which will be sick. But yeah, solar's charging right now. Charging the battery. It's on float because the battery is full now, which is pretty sick. And yeah, I'm pretty stoked. I'm super excited to try this bad boy out. I got maybe a week or 2 left of getting all the odds and ends tightened up. I want to get some leather. Instead of these teeny little janky leather pieces, I want to do a whole leather strip that'll come up and button to the bed so bugs and mosquitoes can't get in. It'll button under the mattress. And yeah, that's where we're at. I figured I'd do an update because it's been all winter and I'm finally getting some vitamin D and some sunlight, and I can have a better attitude. So if you could like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, that would help me out tremendously so I could keep getting some stuff and doing reviews. And if there's anything you want to know, any questions, anything you want me to try out, let me know. And if I can answer, I will. And if I can't, we will figure it out. Hope y'all are doing well. Peace, love, and hair grease.